Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add text on the Canva template of project. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to add the text in Canva, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just open a template like this. Then you just need to add a text. You just click on the text option on the side, and then you will see at this option, click the text to add on the page. You can see default text style. There will be a heading, subheading, and also smaller. You just click on heading. Otherwise, you can also pick a font combination here. So there is a different type of combination like this. You can use this mentioning as pro, and you can just use free text like this, and you can just click this and you can just make here, and you can just use this text here like this. I'm just going to show how it's going to be, and like glow effect. After inserting the text from here, you just need to, after adding the text, you just need to click this. You can just ungroup the text, so you can just edit it both like simultaneously, and just you can just change the color of the text, and you can just change the effect by clicking the effect here option. You can change the thickness of the text and also changing the outline, and also the color. Also you can just change what is the color that you want. It's easy to change and edit it. You can just add the text from here, and you can also search text like what the text that you want, and you can see search as number, NUMB, or you can search it as like number, and you can have that number. So this is how you just add the text on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.